Hello, good morning friends. Today we learn the subject of computer maintenance and troubleshooting and the subject code is 3350701. Now the unit name is inside the PC core component. Now the first topic is introduction of computer. Now the objective of the computer maintenance and troubleshooting is first list and identify the components of the computer system. Second is a characteristics of computer and third one is a classification of computer. Now there are four major component. First is a computer, second is hardware, third is software and fourth one is firmware. Now the first computer. The computer is a programmable electronics device that can store, retrieve and process the data. A computer is a machine that manipulates data according to a list of instructions. Second is a hardware. The computer hardware refers to the physical component of the computer such as keyboard, monitor, memory chips and other different types of drives like hardware drive, floppy drive, CD drive, zip drive, etc. Now third is a software. The term software refers to the set of instructions or a set of programs that directs the hardware to perform their particular or specific task. Fourth, the firmware. The firmware is a low-level software oftenly stored on electrically programmable memory device. It is also a combination of hardware and software. Now second topic, characteristics of computer. There are different types of characteristics. First one is speed, second is accuracy, third is reliability, fourth is memory capability and fifth is versatility. Now next third point, classification of computer. There are different types of classification of computer or the various types of computers are available. The first one is a personal computer. It is also known as microcomputer. The computer is used in house or in office is also known as personal computer. It is initially PC made by IBM, the biggest and oldest computer manufacturer in the world. This PC is also known as a IBM clones. Second is a mainframe computer. A mainframe computer is a large, powerful computer that handles the processing for many users simultaneously, like up to several hundred users. Mainframe computer is a sometime called a big iron. A terminal is a device that has a screen and keyboard for input and output. This is called a mainframe computer. Now the mini computer. A mini computer is a multi-user computer that is a less powerful than a mainframe. This class of computers become a when large-scale integrated circuit made it possible to build a computer much cheaper than the existing mainframes. Means it is a cheaper than the mainframe computer and also it is a less powerful than a mainframe computer. So this is called a mini computer. Now the workstation. A workstation is a powerful high-end microcomputer. Also it contains one or more microprocessor CPUs such as network client workstation. Also it could be a personal computer or even a workstation. The Unix operating system has often used as a workstation operating system. Like other operating system as compared to Unix operating system is a best for the workstation of the operating system. Next is a supercomputer. A supercomputer is a mainframe computer that has been optimized for speed and processing power. This is a typically used for applications that must be handled very large database and or do a great amount of computation. The Blue Pacific, the Blue Pacific name the IBM's supercomputer, which was built to simulate the physics of a nuclear explosion. It is operated at 3.9 trillion operations per second. Also, it is a 15,000 times faster than the average PC. It consists of 5,800 processors containing a total of 2.6 trillion bytes of memory. So this is a very biggest computer in the world. Also the speed is too much high. The name tells all these stories. The Blue Pacific, also the processor speed, also the time, multi processors are using. So this is a super computer. Now, thank you very much, all of you. Thank you so much.